I just got back from a trip from Colorado, and one of the most important pieces of gear that you can have in Colorado is chapstick. At the high altitude, it is very, very drying, chaps your lips, and that's a major problem. Got me thinking, where in the 4Runner can I keep my chapstick? Well, I think we solved this problem. If you have a 5th gen 4Runner, you know that space and the interior, these little cubbies, aren't totally useful. Place things like sunglasses or other small items in these small little cubbies. They rattle around, they roll, they fall out. They're not very practical. I decided to try out something that's relatively affordable, easy to put in, these little slide-in drawers. There's basically no installation required. You just basically slide in the drawers. We're gonna try them out and see how well they work. All right, we have 2 drawers that comes in this little bag, and we have a few little inserts that go in the bottom of the drawers. Now these already come with some higher friction adhesive on the side that you don't even have to put on, and that provides just a little bit of friction on the sides where it makes a nice snug fit and it's easy to insert and take out. There's no sticky adhesives to remove or anything like that. It just relies on a little bit of friction. You can choose to have these in here or not. I kind of like them. They have a cool look to them. They have this grid, non-slip grid. I think that's cool. That'll help prevent things from rattling around in here. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. Okay, there's one that's a pretty tight fit. There's this little top one. That's nice and snug there. Now this, because this pen is down in here and I have this kind of over the top side holder, that prevents you from being able to grab the bottom here, but you can easily grab the top and put things in there. Put some sunglasses in there. And the chapstick. Look at that. That's slick. I like that these are so easy. You can just plop them out if you want to get things in there. And that completely makes this space now usable. That top drawer especially fits very, very nice and flush. I like the coloring of the plastic. It just kind of melts in there nice and well, and it just looks like it fits. So that's great. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who you know who might have a 5th gen 4Runner who doesn't know where to put their chapstick. This is a good solution right there. Check it out. Go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye.